Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin. In this episode, we are going to be talking about the Bitcoin drop. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. They're going out right. So, thank you very much, guys, for being here. Thank you for being part of this awesome community. And, yeah, joining me tonight for this awesome stream. So, Bitcoin crashing. What's happening there, man? What is this all about? How low are we going to go? Let's look at those things, right? Move on to the screen. Yay! So here we are. Alerts went off. Ethereum's dropping below 1,500. Again, I haven't gotten to my Ethereum position. I told you guys that. I could have gotten out for a quick change, but, you know, high risk of actually playing out to the upside. So talked about that earlier, remember? Let's go to total market cap and then see what's happening here. On the daily, we have taken a drop. Oh my goodness, it sucks. Yesterday, we did manage to close red, 0.87. Right now, dropping 2.95. We failed to get to $1.75 right now. Sorry, not $1. 1.75 trillion. And right now going down, we could be aiming again down here at 1.55 trillion, right? That is our target for support. If we are to drop again, start to make positive momentum as we are dropping in value, which is not good, right? We usually want to see positive momentum as we're pumping. So, I mean, still a long day to go. We could try to rally still to 1.75 trillion. We shall see what's in store for us in crypto once we look at Bitcoin and the rest. Sold at 31.19. Let's go check out Bitcoin, right? That's it. That's important. 36,788. Oh, no, we're dropping. So we had hidden divergence, right? We talked about getting above 38,314. We failed. So getting a rejection of that zone, right? With hidden divergence, moving down. Sold at 33.15 again. You know, stuff we talked about yesterday, right? We already discussed this. Here on this chart again, we didn't quite go for that 39,291, but we are breaking right now below 37,393. And we have almost hit support at 36,556. Again, we haven't quite hit it yet. We're close. Lowest we got into was 36,664. So about $100 off target. We could still drop, hit that support, see if we can hold. That is our hope right now. That is our hope, holding support, and then try to bounce from there and go higher. Otherwise, if we do drop again, 35,733. It's starting to look like a bad day for now, right? Again, the small couple of hours that the day has been trading for, it looks as though we might be going for a quick crash. Now, could that have something to do with where we are on the futures? Let's see the Bitcoin futures on the daily. Again, we had, oh, there goes Ethereum again. We had a small gap here, remember, that we still needed to close. I think this gap, this rally here, whenever this was, kind of closed this gap. So we no longer have this gap here. That gap's gone. So we only have this upper gap here at 41,275, right? So we haven't been looking at this chart a lot. We still have a portion of this gap to be filled, right? So we need to drop a little bit more. But for now, we do know that 30,820 might act as a sort of support. That's fine. And we're starting to drop, so we didn't open with a lot of gaps, right? So we opened here. We closed here for the market on Friday. We're opening here for Monday already. Again, not really much difference on the price, moving about sideways and starting to drop. So it's not looking like a strong day. Also hitting resistance, right, at a favorite retracement. So look at that 4 hour here. On the 4 hour, we were looking for this divergence yesterday. You remember we were here live. And I said, look, bearish divergence hit strong bearish. So potential fraction of downside. Here we go. Look, it's still there. Moving down on that. Did we manage to create that here? I don't think we have it here against the RSI. Almost sneezed. Jeez. I hate it when that happens. It just feels so weird in the names. Anyways, bearish divergence strong. Potential fraction of downside. What we're doing? Breaking back down. We're at resistance. Where? 38,314. Oh no, we're going down. You know, stuff we discussed. So we're starting to go down. Again, not too bad. We have hit that bottom part of the Bollinger Bands. Looks as though we're trying to retrace a bit. That's okay. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. So nothing here that is bullish. We are just, we could drop more. We do have that strong bearish divergence coming into play, right? Let's see the 1 hour, man. On the 1 hour chart, look, we had also bearish divergence, right? We tried to rally here again, but we failed at 2 in the morning. We failed getting above 38,314. And I said we need to get above that target. If you want to go higher and confirm closing higher than that. Also, I said volume for the weekend is scrubbish, right? So whatever rallies we got, we could be undoing them come Monday. Let's remember that, right? I said if we do rally, not going to be a lot of volume. Monday could get a drop, and we're getting that drop right now. So that's okay, like not unforeseen, right? Starting to drop a bit now, taking a 2.88% candle drop at 6 p.m. So just as the day turned. So starting to go down a bit again, nothing too crazy. Lower, more negative momentum, and lower on the hour side. Nothing bullish in play. Sold at 33.02. And the last thing we had, again, strong bearish divergence, right? For the movement down. We didn't have anything bullish to come hold us and give us support. Again, 4 hour, taking that drop. And as we go on the daily, sorry, that's the weekly. The daily, right? We can see that even though we dropped yesterday, we are definitely undoing whatever gains we had, even from Wednesday, or what was this, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? So Thursday, Wednesday, we are at the same levels. Again, also coming almost into Tuesday of last week already. So starting to get some drop coming in. Again, it's starting to look like one of those, I'm not going to say it's going to be a 10% day drop, but man, it's not looking so hot right now for the first couple of first hours of opening today, I guess, Monday. Right? Sorry, guys. Let's go check out Ethereum. Sorry, a water one. Ethereum, 2,515. Oh no, we are finding support at 2,500. Bullish divergence, trying to go rally. Still below 2,620. Nothing bearish. I don't think we've created anything bearish still even here. So let's zoom in and actually measure. What is this? 1376, 14. Right now we're coming slightly higher, but this is up till today's candle, so we still cannot say there is hidden divergence. Why? Because today hasn't finished, but there is a chance that we might create this divergence, and this could be part of the reason, right? This could be part of the reason they're starting to get this this here drop. So I'm just gonna place it so we know we kind of talked about it, but I'm not gonna confirm it until we get confirmation that we are actually making this. If we drop more, we're not gonna have this hidden divergence. So sold at 33.06. How many of you guys are buying? How many of you guys are buying? Type 1 if you're buying, type 2 if you're selling. Let me know. What were we looking at here on the 4-hour chart for thisness here, Ethereum? We're looking for some bearish divergence. Oh my goodness, did we get it? No, we managed to pump more. We also went higher, right? So we kind of lost it. If anything, we managed to pick up strong bearish divergence against the MACD, right? Because we didn't have it before, because we were coming slightly lower. Now that we've gone higher, we created that bearish divergence strong. Without the possibility for action to downside, we're starting to get a drop along with Bitcoin. So below the 20 moving average, if we don't recover that 20 moving average, it's going to become a resistance, right? We need to get above it. Same thing for Bitcoin. If we are losing it, we need to get above it. Neutral at 47.60. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Coffee and Pie says, I'll buy a little tomorrow. David says, hi, buddy. How's it going, man? What do we have here, man? First of all, stuff that came over from the other time scale. The 1 hour, the daily, whatever. It just came through. It came through. It shouldn't have. And this might be from the 4-hour. Yeah, I think I forgot to anchor it there. So I'll send it back there. All right, cool. What do we have? We were looking for bearish divergence coming down, hidden bullish coming into play right as we were live yesterday here at 8 p.m. Managed to rally on that. And guess what? Oh, no, we created more bearish divergence. I mean, guys, when I do this here live, we're just looking at the two right now. But again, if you're picking up on this, and we talked about divergences yesterday, right? You should be picking up on this, and you should be learning how to look for divergences on your own. That is the whole purpose of this here streams, right? Teaching you guys how to identify this thing. So if you're not looking and for these divergences, you know, on your own, no one's gonna do it for you. You just gotta learn how to, like, you know, trade and then get in and out of markets, how to get in and out of positions. So, you know, all we're doing it here is just we look at 1 hour in specific and then see what happened, right? And what could happen with the market. Like we said, for Bitcoin, we're looking for a drop. We had a lot of bearish divergence. If we didn't get above 38,000 and change, which we felt to get above that resistance, right? So right now, resistance, rejection of that area, support of resistance, right here. Rejecting the 20, starting to break down. Trying to hold support at 1,500. It has held, and it was a resistance, right? Or kind of resistance a while back. So we know 1,500. It's a nice round, solid number. You could try to hold. But ultimately, I'm not sure how much how much buying power is here to hold, right? If we have enough selling pressure, we could drop farther down. Now we are going down on price. We're coming more negative momentum and lower on the RSI. So there's nothing bullish. Sold at 37.13. On that note, let's go back to the Bitcoin real quick. Let's go on the 4-hour. Sorry, not this chart. This chart. We are also below 20 moving average. Huh. Interesting, right? We need to hold it. What I mean by hold it means we got to pump in the next hour and 42 minutes and get above that 20. If we fail to hold that 20 moving average, it's a resistance. There's a big chance we try to go back up, find resistance, and drop more from that. All right. Again, where can we drop to? Already said 36,556 will be the primary support. Then below there, 35,733. Also, if we do close below at 20, we're also probably gonna likely close below 37,393. That's also gonna put another resistance for us when we try to rally. And as you can see, we have hit it plenty of times and rejected it, right? So, indeed, above those targets. Man, the market just looks bad today. It's just starting off in the wrong foot. I'm not saying it's horrible. It's just starting off in the wrong foot. Right on. Let's see what else, man. Everything's going down. RSR's down. HNT's down 4%. ABBA is down. Let's check out ABBA. There we go. Gravity says SP rising, Bitcoin dropping opposite summer. Yeah, interesting. Again, let's go Cardano on the daily. We're looking for bullish divergence, which I think we still have, right? We're somehow still holding on to this bullishness. And we're just dropping more, and we're still coming up higher here on the RSI. And now here, short term on the MACD, I would also say that we are starting to create some bullish divergence. Like this. And that should be indicating action to the upside, but for that to happen, Bitcoin needs to play ball and allow for it, ADA to run. So if we do pump, we're going to be coming here to this fib at 1.05. It's a previous low that we were using for our anchoring points. And if we do manage to drop from here, we still look at 95.3 cents, right, on the drop. Let's go to 4-hour. Coming down lower, more, less negative momentum, lower on the RSI as well. So nothing bearish happening here besides the bearishness that we had back here. Medium bearish divergence. Dropping down on that low sideways motion, right? Dude, low to high, nothing here. That is bullish. Neutral at 40.89. Let's go on to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour, we are dropping more negative momentum and lower. Still nothing bullish. Sold at 34. It kind of sucks for ADA. I mean, I really wish it was doing something. So, yeah, just taking a drop. Right, same drop that everyone got, 1.83%. Can we look at the excess? Sure. Jeez. AXS at 50.96 on the daily, dropping right now, hitting that zero line that we were looking for as support, right? We broke below that, and this is what we're using for the short-term fibs. We could get higher fibs now, to be fair, and that we might, because we did hit that 3618, and then we started to retrace heavily. So what I'm going to do is go from the low here to the high here and get fib areas. I know we're going to be breaking below the zero line that we had determined that we had there, and that is fine. We got back above it, and we're using it as support. And again, I'm just going to try to pinpoint this one to that low area here, and see where we're at, and we're trying to hold it as support at 51.03. So yeah, that's it. If we're dropping more, less of that negative momentum. So here we have bullish divergence, and there's a possibility for a rally. Now, are we going to rally? That is $1 million question, right? We should be looking for a rally, trying to go up. Again, getting above this previous retracement here at the zero line or previous 100% to the low. And we should be aiming for the 20 moving average. However, Bitcoin going down is certainly starting to put pressure on the market. And we are starting to go down with the rest of the market. 4.61% again, amplifying the Bitcoin drop because it's not dropping that much. Sold at 33.86. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Elon says if I'm buying stocks, I'm not buying stocks yet. I'm not buying stocks, and reason for that is I'm going to be on vacations, man. Starting not this week, but next week, next Saturday. I go out of town I really don't want to be going out of town and having positions open in stocks, particularly because the swings could take a little bit longer to play. And I'm not gonna take my laptop. I am gonna try to disconnect from the markets and really enjoy time with my family. So I'm not gonna be able to trade actively, and I don't want to be, at the park or whatever area we're at, and me looking at the phone and just the family having fun and just me stressed out for stocks or whatever, right? So plus I'm gonna be in California. It's still 2 hours earlier, meaning that by the time the market opens at 8:30 or 8 in the morning for pre-market in New York, that's gonna be like 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning, and in California. I don't want to be waking up super early. So I do want to take advantage and have fun and not be worrying about the market and having positions open. So for now, I'm not going to be trading stocks, at least not until maybe I come back from vacations, right? Slightly higher still, so nothing here that is bearish. We're starting to go down with Bitcoin, right? Neutral at 51.31, still pointing down. Again, we are trying to find support here at the previous 100% low that we had at 50.57, and that is from the previous low way back here, right? Now we have gone lower, but that is if we're gonna do a deeper drop. We could still be coming here. I mean, it's gonna say negative. We're not gonna go there, but we could still fall below the previous 100% until we start to make a retrace and make a valid retrace. Would we be looking at maybe some kind of bounce, and then refibbing this to get targets to the upside? But for now, we're trying to hold here. If we do get somewhere near this 786, we could be looking to refib this and get nice targets, right? On the 1 hour, coming up higher. Are we coming in lower here, man? Yes, we are going lower. Going up higher again. Bearish divergence strong. Action to the downside. Taking that drop. Flirting with the 20. Losing the 20. Trying to find support here. If we drop again $50.69, we could be dropping all the way down here to $44.83. Neutral at 44.44. And still pointing up a little bit right now on the other side. That's because we're starting to gain right now. But if we do go down again, could be nasty, right? Right on. So let's go check out let's see the XS. Let's go back to Bitcoin, dude. I think Bitcoin's also going on a small rally right now in this candle, trying to go green, 0.24%. It looks huge compared to the next candle, right? So again, it's that rally of sorts. It's not really rallying, it's just trying to gain a little bit. That's the way we should see this. What is up with these people coming in typing all this weird stuff, dude? Fibed! Thank you very much for resubscribing on Twitch. Much appreciated, my friend. So yeah, that is my answer regarding stocks. I'm not gonna buy until I get back from vacation. I'm also not gonna be looking at crypto. I'm gonna try not to look at crypto. I know I'm gonna be peeking at crypto just out of curiosity, but I'm not gonna be actively looking at crypto, right? I'm gonna have my phone if something starts to happen, and like it's something big. I'll try to come at least voice chat on Discord, or I'll try to maybe stream from my phone. I'm not sure I have that set up yet, but I'll figure some way that I could come in and connect with you guys and have this going on discussion where we can look at the market and say, yeah, this was gonna happen, this could happen, whatever. I'm not gonna be able to show my screen, but at least you'll be able to see me, and I can explain to you more or less what I'm seeing or what I'm looking at, which yeah, again, not really want to take my laptop on this vacation. Really want to disconnect from everything. Bitcoin support level break would indicate a drop to 30K. Well, William, thank you very much for asking, man. We do have a lot of supports, and I'm moving down. Right now, we're going to have 36,000, 35,733. 34,000 might be a sort of support, might be a little bit weaker than 33,000. I think if we break 33,000s, right, we could really just be looking at 31 and then 30, right? So that would be that move. Breaking 30,753 puts us on an area we could drop to 29,000s, right? Yeah, I guess that's some of the support that we have on a movement down. Again, Bitcoin doesn't have a lot of history trading at those levels. So all we have is supports that we've determined they've kind of held at least once or twice. So we are hoping they're still going to hold again. Hope that answers your question. Thank you very much for asking, my friend. Yeah, the Bitcoin, man, trying to hold. It is fighting tooth and nail to try to get back above and then go to at the 37,393. Look, expansion of the Bollinger Bands to the downside. We should be looking to get back into the Bollinger Bands. Usually when we step outside of the Bollinger Bands, and I'm going to go here so you guys can see what we're doing, but when we step out of the Bollinger Bands, on a movement up, on a movement down, right? We usually try to get back into the Bollinger Bands. So we could flag sideways, try to pump to a 20. That's something we could be looking at here. Right, look, you stepped out of the Bollinger Bands, came back in, dropped still, you know, don't have to precisely go to 20, but we still need to get back into the Bollinger Bands. So what I'll be looking here is for us to try to get back into the Bollinger Bands, and then we might still be dropping with the Bollinger Bands. So still yet to be determined where we want to go, right? It's not 100% sure, but Bitcoin is going for a drop. Could we get a reaction rally? Yes. Could this be a bear trap? It could, right? It could be a bear trap of sorts. I'm not going to be calling it a bear trap until, you know, we get confirmation that we're pumping. But this here motion, right? Look, this here motion could start to look like a bear trap that could go back up, right? Right. So again, I'm hoping that this is not going to be the bull trap that we're looking for. It's just taking a little bit longer to play, because that would suck. But here we're looking at something similar, right? We're hooking in like this. So I'm not sure we're going to go for the rally, though. Right now, it just looks like the market wants to drop. And again, it's not that I'm bearish. It's just the market doesn't feel super strong. We're trading below 200 moving average. We're breaking below the 20 moving average. We have bearish divergence on the 4 hour. We had bearish divergence on the 1 hour. We don't have anything bullish right now for us to say Bitcoin's looking for a rally, right? We're just praying that we hold. That's it. Nothing bullish, right? Even on the daily, we had divergence bearish. So bearish on the daily, bearish on the 4 hour, bearish on the 1 hour. You know, here is hidden divergence. Yes, we're going to go down. Yes, we could move sideways, but we're getting it at a key area that we needed to get above, right? At 38,314, which I'll see. Right, so Felix says, thank you very much for being here. And then says, today, 31st January, Chinese Lunar New Year's Eve, Lunar New Year 2022, bringing a year of the tiger. Maybe this tiger year will bring us all affluence in health and wealth. Well, if it is anything like the eye of the tiger, I hope we are gonna be rocking it. Yeah. I hope we do rally, man. You know, it was the year of the bull, and we got a pretty good bull run, right? And I joked about that about a year ago. We'll see, man, right? We'll see. It could be an interesting year. Looking at Bitcoin, man, and just trying to see if it's going to go for that rally. Right now, like I said, I think we just get back into the Bollinger Bands, shield sideways for a bit. Maybe that will be a pretty good move. Just a move that we got beginning of the week, right? Going back down strong. It just doesn't feel too good, right? It makes it feel as though, oh snap, we're gonna go in for another drop, right? Like one of these days, you're like, oh drop, and then right, it was like hit that 30K, right? Oh, gee, you super chatted. What? He did a thumbs up. Awesome, dude. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much for that, man. That is awesome.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, man. What is MYR? Is this MYR? I'm not sure what MYR is. It's like, where is it? No. Malaysian. All right, cool. Awesome, dude. Malaysian ringgit. All right. I never looked at Malaysian currency before. Interesting, man. Again, Bitcoin trying to go for some recovery right now. Good. We should get massive drop. Again, could be looking for a reaction rally. I mean, no reason to drop fast. We could also go fast here to the 20, test it, and then see if we break back down again. You know, it's a lot of market indecision. Someone asked yesterday, "Are you bullish?" I said, "Man, you know, I'm not bullish. Also not super bearish. I'm just kind of bearish, but not a lot." So right now, I would say, I think yesterday I said 60-40. I think I'm still 60-40. Joshua, what's up, dude? Thank you for being here. Again, looking at the market, trying to see where we're going to go. Nothing bullish going on, though, right? Again, a lot of bearishness. Bearish divergence, taking a drop. Bearish divergence in the 4-hour, right? Taking a drop. Bearish divergence on the daily, hidden. Taking a drop, rejecting 38,314. We talked about this yesterday. We said could go down. Again, I also said the volume was scrubbish for the weekend, and whatever pump we had, we could undo. And we are undoing that, like you said, right? Undoing the pumps from the weekend, right? Friday, Saturday, particularly Saturday and Sunday, which we don't trade a lot of volume. And you can see here that, the volume for the weekend was just trash, right? Like even these 2 days together are probably not going to make the volume that we traded on Friday. So. I'm just gonna go to Coin 360, see if there's things that are holding. I'll just show you where we look at, right? This hit map and look at how things are. Jason G Man, what's up, my friend? Thank you for being here. Stock futures slightly up. Hold this sideways movement. Yeah, we'll see, man. A lot of the market looks like it's in pain right now. Right. Ooh, Bitcoin going slightly green here in the last 24 hours, though, right? Not the day. The day's still on the red. Last 24 hours are slightly green, which again is okay. Oh, going back down on the red. Oh, no. Look at that. All right. So we're not looking super hot here. Coins and tokens. Let's just put coins. Still looks horrible, right? Still looks horrible. A lot of pain out there, man. Everything's in red. Look, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, DOT, AVAX, Near Atom, XRP, Doge, like everything's red, man. It's just lighter shades of red and then super strong shades of red. Solana down 5% in the last 24 hours. AVAX down 9% in the last 24 hours. Near down 10. What is it? I can't see Near. It's too small. But Binance 5%. It's not good, man. The market's not super strong, man. Jason G-Man says,
when next online poker time, smile.
Thank you very much for that, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that. That is a challenge accepted, man.
Challenge accepted.
When the next online poker time? We did play last Friday. Not this Friday, and then next Friday I can't. I'm gonna go out of town for a week, so I'm gonna be taking my family on vacation. I'm gonna be out from the 5th until I'm back on the 13th. But I leave on the 5th at like 3 in the morning. I have to leave the house so we can go to the airport, catch a super early flight. So Friday there's not gonna be a stream. I'm not gonna have a chance to play this week. When I come back, what is it? We should have put a date on it. It's gonna be the weekend after 13th. So we're looking at Friday the 18th. We'll play poker. That's gonna be a good day, I think, to play poker. So we'll write it here, Feb 18th. We'll also put it in the Discord and make sure we do give it a lot of advertisements so we get more people to join. Right? So yeah, I think we could look at the third, the 18th. If you guys want to play without me, that is fine. You know, you want to get together and play poker. That's so good, man. Just I will not be able to play or stream for a week, right? A little bit over a week. Oh, look at that! We're coming back into you know, Bollinger Bands, which is good. I need to bet some. Yeah. Yeah, it'll be interesting. I'll take some of that action. Play Doge. How much Doge do you make today? Enjoy your vacation. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I will. And it's going to be a blast. Rams with the W? What do you mean Rams with the W? Right. What? Who's going? Who's going to the Super Bowl, man? I didn't get to see any games. All I heard is the, Kansas City lost. I think, or who was it? I think, yeah. I haven't really been watching football this season, so it's gonna be at LA. I'm actually gonna be living the Saturday where the Super Bowl is. Rams versus Bengals. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. Right, that's on Sunday the 13th. Actually, that's when I'm getting back in home, and I'm actually gonna be in LA for that week for my vacation. So I just completely botched it. I didn't look where the Super Bowl was gonna be, and if I would have known it was there, I probably would have changed my flight for Monday. All right, would have been awesome to be there. Yeah. Yeah. Rams are going to be at home for the Super Bowl. Yeah. I just hope I don't get a lot of... I guess that's why the hotels are a little bit more expensive. And I just hope we don't get a lot of people there. Am I going to Disneyland? Yes, I'm going to be going to Disneyland. Jake says, the 49ers lost. I lost 5,000 sats. Ooh. Sorry, Jake. Hope you earn your sats back somehow. But yes, Elon, I am going to go to Disneyland. I'm going to be hanging out with the family. Hanging out with the fams. Again, we do have a Vegas vacation coming up. If you guys want to join there, we're going to be streaming from Vegas in a couple days, right? Room for War is hooking us up with the hotel room, which is going to be fun going to Vegas. Yeah, it's going to be a pretty good, solid trip. Yeah, man, it's interesting. I was just looking at Bitcoin. Really, not a lot going on. Whole market's dropping. Like everything is just a copy of everything else. There's some small, minor projects are trying to pump, but we'll see. You always use Kansas City versus the Rams. So that would have been a good one, I think. Yeah, again, I haven't really been watching a lot of sports lately. For living Missouri, I guess. Yeah. And not really a lot to look at. It's just like like a sit and chill stream, I guess. Christopher Walsh, man, it was pumping. Was it really? Let's go to Mana. Where the Mana at? Yeah, 3.63. You're correct. Mana is rallying, dude. Mana not doing bad. Mana trying to recover. Right on. So getting above the 618, that's pretty good. Right on. Do we have anything bullish? No, we didn't have anything bullish. Drill at 48.80. All right, cool. Getting above the 20 moving average, that's pretty solid. Hidden divergence is starting to come into play, though, right? Just watch out for this. It could start to put pressure on the price. And the thing about this divergence is that we could still get all the way up here to 50% retrace at $2.89 and still be putting pressure on that price, right? Just be careful there. Here also, look, we had hidden divergence here. We're looking for it. Guess what? Moved us down to a 20. We still have now strong bearish divergence, right? Oh, snap. Why is it not letting me do this? Here we go. All the way up there, right? Boom. All the way down here. And here, just in the last bit. So again, here we can measure it from here to here and say, yo, bearish divergence, drop. And then from here to here, bearish divergence, we should be looking for a drop. That's just one straight line. It just works the same. Bearish divergence, strong, potential for action to downside against the MACD, against the RSI. Bought at 65.54 with that. And we could be looking for a moving down to 20 moving average, where we're just having a bounce on this 4-hour candle. Right, that could be the move, man. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh no, the things from the 4-hour came through. It's a whole bunch of baloney. All right, send it back to the 4-hour. Right on. And here, look at this. Oh, strong bearish divergence starting to develop. Not good. Oh goodness. What are we gonna do? Sorry, bought at 62.01, right? So, bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. Has Sol fixed their issues? I'm not sure. How about Sol? Look at Sol. Again, bearish divergence, potential for moving down. This is starting to develop, though. It's the first bar of positive momentum that we're developing. So again, this could go on developing, go higher. We might negate this. For now, we have it as just the first bar. We just gotta acknowledge it for what it is. A chance. There's divergence. Again, you guys keep on tracking this when we're off the air and see if it's gonna keep on developing, right? Solana, where are you at, Sol? This is Solo, by the way, not Solana. It's 16% to the upside. That is crazy. Sol! At 91.14. Alright. Don't work with this. Let's get on the daily. It's dropping. More negative momentum. Lower on the RSI. Dude, nothing bullish. About to get across the MACD signal line. That could be an interesting move. But I do believe we're going to be below 200 moving average. So again, it's not a clear in by the MACD strategy. Oversold at 28.25. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Low to high. Negative less, low to high. Nothing here that is bullish. Nothing. Do we have hidden bearish? Hidden bearish. That's about it, though, right? Again, hidden bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. Not really a lot. Maybe sideways motion. We are taking that drop below the 20 moving average. Again, seeing that pressure on the price coming down. Right now, below the 20, open there and rejecting it. Now the pain. Neutral 43.39, still pointing down there on the RSI, meaning we could still be looking for a drop. What's up with these freaking people coming in here with their spammy links? The 1-hour chart. Dropping lower. Morning momentum lower still. Sold at 37.35. So, yeah. Nothing bullish. Nothing bullish. Here there is a break. From way back here, if you just want to, like, you know, look for something that would say, wow, we're going to do something. Hey guys, are we going to do something? And you can look way back here and be like, yo, look. Some divergence. Hidden bullish. Maybe action to the upside. Maybe go to that 20 moving average. 94.07 and then see what happens when we get there. We're going to go higher or we're going to reject. That is the move for Solana. Again, not this market's not feeling super strong right now. Ours just doesn't feel super strong. The market feels weak. Again, Bitcoin. 36,991 and trying to hold. Man, it's just It's just a wild world. I mean, it's still floating here in the middle of nowhere. Middle of nowhere! We gotta find support, guys. We gotta find support. And we gotta see that support holds. Again, we did come close to support at 36,556. We just need to, you know, hold there and pump. But Williams, thank you very much for being here. Guys, again, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the subs, right? Again, awesome things you can do for anyone that you watch whose content you enjoy, right? Luna, here we go. $44.80, dropping 3.82 again. We're looking for the bullish divergence. Oh no, we're taking a drop. Do we have it here? Why do I not have the counter here? I might have sent it to the freaking 4 hour for all I know. Or maybe left it in the 1 hour, so we shall see. We shall see, man. Bullish divergence, potential correction to the upside. We should be going for that 786 at $51.32. Sold, oversold. 29.69. That's it. Let's go on the 4 hour. We're looking for the bullish divergence. Action to the upside, rejection here. Not even going for the 20, dropping more. Guess what? More strong bullish divergence. Please, sir, I have some more. Here we go. Bullish divergence for you. You have double rations of bullish divergence. Now we should be looking for some action to the upside. We're just not getting it, man. We is just not getting it. Oversold at 27.92. Without the potential for a rally with the bullish divergence. So $49.13 would be a pretty solid target for Luna. Here we rejected it, right? So the 1 hour. On the 1 hour. Look, we were flirting with that line, trying to hold it as support at $49.13. Finally rejected it, coming down lower. More negative momentum, lower still. Even if we go here, we're going to have something dropping more, lower on the RSI. Here we do have an island break here. So again, I'm a little bit more hesitant to go and anchor from way back here and say, yo, there's bullish divergence strong. I don't think this one's going to play, right? Just because there is a break here. It's a two bar break. It's almost negligible, but again, yeah. If it does come into play, you should be looking for a bounce to that 20 moving average at $40.08. But again, for projects that are sizable now, which, you know, Luna, Ethereum, ADA, Link, whatever guys you're looking at, I think they're going to follow Bitcoin. And the movement down might be amplified a little bit more, particularly for some of this. So it could still be that Bitcoin still takes a drop and we see a lot more pain to come, right? So just watch out for that. Yeah. Kind of sucks for a lot of projects. They're so Bitcoin dependent. 9 minutes until we close this candle. We're going to wait for this candle to close. By the way, man, painting is fun. It just takes forever, man. But I do get too much into the details. So, I guess if I didn't get too much into the details, I could do some speed painting and push through a lot of stuff. But I really, just get into those details and try to get everything as perfect as I can. I think that just takes a lot more time. So yeah, it's good though. Painting is fun. I've been painting this little trooper here with a flag. I finally put one of his arms on, both arms actually. Still missing his shield. I'm not sure you're gonna be able to see him, but flag and all. It's just taking forever to paint him. And I still gotta put a lot of highlights in there. And I think that's one of the things I'm getting more towards, not just tabletop ready, but where they look really good. And that just takes a lot more time to actually finish painting these things. If I was just getting them tabletop ready, I think this would be a fine place to stop. It has color, it has everything, has wash, it has shadows, has some highlights, not a lot, but I still gotta put a lot more highlights on, and I think that's where it just takes a lot more time. I also gotta do the base. So when it gets to there, it's just fun. But I've been working on this one for like 3 days, I think, just painting this one small one, and it's just whenever I have time, I just sit down and paint a little bit. So yeah, it's a good stress relief, I guess, to paint these things. Makes it fun, right? So, what else, guys? What else? How you guys' weekend? Did you guys have fun in your weekend? Type 1 if you had a good weekend. Type 2 if you didn't have a good weekend. And I'm hoping everyone had a great weekend, by the way. But do let me know. I'm intrigued. You guys had a great weekend? A so-so weekend? Was it a bad weekend? Was it a good weekend? Let me know. Jeez, man. I really wish the market would just recover. Jeez. Like I said, I know we're going to go down. There's pain, but, you know, I just wish we just were in a full-on recovery mode where we're looking for happier areas, you know, long-term, but we need to get above that 200 moving average, so. Lloyd Carroll says 1.7. River Forces 2. Oh, snap, man, so it sucks. I hope your weekend, you know, your weekend's better. Oh, man. I'm starting to get like nervous for vacations. I haven't even gone on vacations in the longest time, just since, you know, this whole thing started. So 2 years of just being stuck in the house. Just traveling starts to get me like, you know, I need to travel. There are a lot of things I need to do this week, so I can leave everything ready for work, so I'm not bugged while I'm on vacation. Because I'm not taking my work laptop either, so I'm not connecting. Right? It's vacation time. Man. That Bitcoin drop, man. I thought a lot more people are going to be panicking because Bitcoin is dropping. It usually is, right? Bitcoin drops a little bit. A lot of people come in and be like, oh, where's Bitcoin dropping? Where's it going now? I mean, it's going to drop, right? Right now we're looking for some kind of recovery. Again, if we get anything that is upsloping, watch out. We could be looking for another leg down, right? Remember, upsloping consolidation breaks back down again, usually. So, downsloping consolidation on the opposite takes the break back up. This brings sellers exhaustion. That means sellers get tired of just selling and selling and selling, and buyers at some point in time take control, then push that price back up. So opposite happens here, right? You hear when you pump, you get buyers exhaustion. You know, you cannot buy forever. Buyers get tired, and then you're looking for that drop to happen, right? So again, consolidation is going to be key after the small moving down that we just got. I mean, it's not a big move. It's a 2% move, almost 3%. So a quick reversal could undo some of that. Yeah, we're just pumping 4.45% right now. Still dropping 2.46 on the day. Really just waiting for this candle to close. We've not been looking a lot. We've just been looking at Bitcoin, though. And try to determine where Bitcoin going to go. Where Bitcoin going to go, man. Again, you guys enjoy the content. Like, bell, sub, right? Bitcoin dominance at 0. Oh, no. It's trying to gain and lose at the same time on the daily. What? Here's the 0%. Negative 0, positive 0. It's just weird because we're looking at fractions. And again, dominance at 42.48 is not super high, right? It's not super high dominance. We also didn't drop a lot. 39, not a big drop. We have dropped more. We have dropped to 35%. That is the lowest we've dropped, and that was on January 2018, right? A Bitcoin all-time highs. So here, we didn't quite get there. But Ethereum did pick up a lot. Ethereum did pick up a lot of that slack. Right now it's below 20%, but at some point in time it was above 20%. Right here, 22%. It's insanely high. Had it been higher? Yeah, it had been higher. Back on 2017. But right now, with so many projects trading, it's obvious that we're going to start seeing Ethereum also struggle for some of that dominance, right? Look at Bitcoin trying to get above 37,000. Great. Let's go here, assuming a lot because we're really zoomed out. Let's go to the 1 hour. 37,028. Oh, good. We're going on the last minutes of the hour rally, right? Interesting. Man, again, we've discussed, right, a lot of bearishness on Bitcoin, right? Bearish divergence on the daily, hidden, putting pressure on that price, rejecting 38,314. On the 4 hour, bearish divergence strong. We had it yesterday when we were live, right? Yeah, sorry, we had it here when we were live, and then, you know, we still managed to confirm it here again, rejecting that same area with strong bearish. Oh, against some MACD. And on the 1 hour, we had strong bearish divergence. We don't have anything bullish right now. We're dropping more negative momentum, lower still. The only rally I'm seeing happening here is a reaction rally coming in and being like, no, we can't go lower anymore. Let's buy at this prices. Other than that, I mean, we could be setting up for a bull trap or we drop again, right? It's also the setup for a potential bear trap, like I said, right? I know it's both, but if we do take this drop and then we start to look like recovery, right? We could go for that bull trap. And right now, what I was telling you guys, it's this move in here, right? And then we could go like that, and that would be setting it up for a bear trap. So, but again, mainly Bitcoin is just undecided, right? And if we look at a larger picture, all we have is just bearishness, man. Bearish divergence. Even if we draw a line here to act as a sort of support line, right? The ones we usually break and then we go short-term bearish, we are breaking that line, right? So whatever support we could have looked for, we are breaking it. Now, let's say we want to be a little bit more generous with Bitcoin and say, oh, we're going to go with the wicks. That's fine. We can go with the wicks. Those are the wicks. We are breaking it on this candle. So if this 4 hour still goes down and we don't recover this line here, we are looking at going short-term bearish because we were breaking that support line, right? So our support would be broken, and then again with that we could look for a bigger drop. Again, not super happy for the market, but it is what we have, right? It is what we have, so kind of sucks. One more minute for the corn. 37,021. 37,003. Oh no, we are dropping. The pressure's coming in. Now we're gonna close. What do you guys think? Are we gonna close below or above 37,000? One above, two below. Let me know. And we're gonna close at above 37,000. We still have 30 seconds to go. All right. I think we're gonna close above. Cesar says 1. All right. I also think we're gonna close above. Crypto Gaming, what's up, dude? I also think we're gonna close above. Yeah. How about VIA if you have time? I will. I'll do it right after Bitcoin closes. We have 9 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch us open and start dropping on the next candle. All right, cool. We just closed the hour. Open on the side. It's green, but it's 0. Going to wait for a move to happen. Let's go check out VRA. What is happening with the VIA? Warbird Nod, what's up, dude? Nice bullish. Yeah, it's not really bullish right now, bro. As the open and start to go red. At 1.88, that's where we're sitting at. $1. Sorry, not $1. 1.88 cents. So almost 2 cents. Taking a drop above whatever we could have considered this for Fib. So let's refib this project. Let's go from the low point. We haven't looked at this in forever, by the way. To the highest point, we're dropping below that 786. It just kind of sucks. So if we are looking for recovery, 20 moving average in the 786 at around 2.48 would be a nice area for where we could look for resistance if we do go on a rally. But there's nothing here. Dropping low, more negative momentum, lower on that RSI. So there's really not a lot here that is bullish from the previous island. What we could look for here, and again, from here to here, we had bullish divergence, strong pump to that 20, failing, rejecting. Just here in the short term, we are starting to develop some. But for this to materialize, I think we still got to wait for the day to close. Close enough. Yesterday we had it, so starting to look for this as potential bullish divergence, strong, and that the potential for action to the upside. And again, we're not really anchoring to a red, strong red, or a new island, but for now it will work and say, yo, bullish divergence, strong potential for moving up. We also have it against the RSI, right? Sold at 30.27. Let's go on the 4 hour, man. Oh, nice bullish channel. Yeah. Like I said, I think it's might not be to our advantage, right? We shall see. Nah, not this one. All right, so we have hidden divergence, potential fraction to upside. Maybe if you hit that 20 moving average at 1.97 cents, that would be a very nice target. Other than that, high to low, positive is positive. Dude, low to high, hidden divergence came into play, right? Put pressure on the price. Again, a lot of these projects, I'm not sure how strong they're going to be to go and do their own thing. Here, we're dropping more and more negative momentum and lower still on the movement from here to here. Nothing bullish. From back here, like we've seen with a couple of the other projects, and that is, again, reaching way back there to try to find something. We have some bullish divergence without the possibility for action to the upside, right? So, sold, oversold at 29.41. With that, again, we could be looking for a rally, but for this rally to happen, Bitcoin needs to allow us to play. Right now, it looks as though we're going back down and undoing the bearish candle. So, we should be looking for a pump to that 20 moving average at 1.95. So, back to the corner real quick. This candle's dropping a lot. It leads me to believe Bitcoin could be dropping. And yes, we are getting slight red, not super red, but a slight red. And again, Bitcoin doesn't have anything bullish for it to rally right now. Any rally we get is going to be running on empty. And meaning we're not having a divergence to push us higher, right? We are trying to get above this here retracement. And that is the fib that happens to be at that 382. So yeah, we are at a resistance level of sorts. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to extend this longer here to where we get that there. And again, I'm still anchoring here to the bottom. As you can tell, that line again is acting as a resistance. We try to get above it. Right now below it, and we need to really get above that 382 for us to go to that 50% retrace. But again, looking at that 38,314, it's an ultimate target that we need to get above and close above, right? So guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Again, I'll be here tomorrow again for another edition of Crypto. If you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out, pinned at the top of the chat. Remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. And on that note, thank you very much for watching. And I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Crypto, right? Until then.